Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we are going to be using some Dollar Tree bowls. First off, we have this two-piece set. So in all, you'll need 4 of these bowls. So you're going to have to buy 2 packs of these. And then we have these, and you have 4 bowls that come in this pack. And we'll be using 2 from this pack as well. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I want to do is go ahead and open these up. So I'm going to be using some of my Gorilla Glue along with some tape. And what I want to do is glue 2 of these together, and then I'll glue these together as well. So I'm going to take some glue right around the edge. Now you want to take these lines and line it up perfectly. Make sure it lines up. Now take some tape and reinforce it while the glue sets up. Okay, just like that. And now I'll go ahead and do the same thing with these to glue these together. Now you want to take these scalloped edges and then match them up. You will have a little bit of an opening. Okay, now do the same thing with this. Reinforce it with tape. I would actually go back in and put tape all the way around on both pieces. Okay, so once you take the tape off, you have this and this. The next thing you want to do is cut an opening in each piece. You're going to cut 2 openings in this piece and 1 opening in this piece. And with this one, I'm just going to follow the circle. Now I actually have 2 holes in this piece, but you don't need 2 holes in this one. You only need 1. And once you're done, you want to go back in and make sure that it's smooth all the way around. Now with this piece, I've already cut a hole on this side. Now I'll go in on this side. And you want to go in probably about this far in. What is that, like a ½ inch? And just go all the way around, just make a circle. Okay, pull that out and then go in with your knife and make sure that it's completely flat. Finally, you want to do the 3rd piece. Okay guys, I'm back and I have my 3 pieces. If you hear a little buzz in the background, that's because I have my little Temu fan blowing, okay? You're actually going to need 4, so use the whole pack. So here's my base, there's no hole. Put that right on top, make sure that's even. Now put glue on here. Go all the way around and make sure that it looks even. And now add glue on top of this one. Now take the top piece with the hole and put that right on top. Make sure the lines are lined up. Now this is our very first vase. I'm going to reinforce it with some tape and let it dry. And now we'll move on to vase number 2, which is even more simpler. Okay guys, so for vase number 2, you're going to need 2 packs of these. This is the base. Again, we have 2 glued together. You don't need a hole in the bottom of this one. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the base. Put this right on top. Make sure that the lines are lined up perfectly. You have a hole here, and this is the fourth piece, and I've already put a hole in here, and I've already added glue. So again, you want to line this up. And now you just take some of your tape, put it right in the center. Try not to put too much pressure on it just yet. Go to the other side. Finally come to this side. And now you can actually press down and reinforce the tape. Just push it in. And then you can flip this over and do the same thing for the base. And here are my two completed vases. I'm gonna let the glue set up overnight, and then I'll come back and give you an idea on how you can decorate them. Okay guys, so I'm back with both of my vases. They have set up overnight, so I'll go ahead and remove the tape. And honestly, you really don't need to do anything to them. I plan on using these for the holidays, so I can decorate around here with some holiday ribbon and some ornaments, just different things, and then add flowers if I want to. And here's number two. Same thing, you really don't need to add anything to either one. I can actually see the glue here, so I'm going to cover it with some diamond bling. Around here, probably about half of this, which is 3 rows. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. So this is what it looks like if you add bling to the outside. That's an idea. But honestly, I like it without too much bling. Again, you can use other things to decorate them. I'll just grab some Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments, put them on the inside, and let you guys see what that looks like. Now I have some ornaments from Dollar Tree. I have these. I actually have 2 packs of the silver and some small packs of the gold and silver. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some on the inside. You can also add some string lights to it. You want it to go all the way down. Put in some ornaments. Put in some more string lights. Okay, so I'm done adding the string lights and the ornaments. I actually have some ribbon, and I purchased this from Walmart last year during Christmas. And it just so happened to have the animal print, which you can use all year long. So what I'm gonna do is wrap this around to see where I need to cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a little bit more than I need. Okay, so I have some Dollar Tree Christmas flowers. I'm going to take 2 silver off here. I'm going to glue one right inside. Put that down in the glue, hold it in place. Now I take one of these gold ones, and I'm going to glue this one right in the center. I think this would be really beautiful with a bow, a really pretty bow with the ribbon hanging, but I'm not the best at making bows. Not a whole lot of work went into these. They're really simple but beautiful. Like I said before, either one would look beautiful with a bow or with just some simple flowers like this. But yeah, I'm just going to have the string lights in. So what I'll do is go ahead and put these on display and let you guys see what they look like. And as promised, here are my 2 completed vases on display. And I think they look absolutely beautiful with my Dollar Tree flowers and ornaments. And let me mention that the large ornament garland in the background is from Dollar Tree as well. And remember, I added string lights to the taller vase, and I absolutely love it. The string lights make the vase appear to be lighting up on its own. And I totally did not expect that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Of the two vases, I think the taller vase is my favorite. Comment below if you have a favorite. And how would you decorate yours? Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.